So you may have asked yourself, can I even use Microvellum without any AutoCAD experience? Or how am I going to find the time to teach myself? And what about my coworkers who are already too busy with everything they got going? Well, we here at Microvellum have been listening and working hard to provide a solution for some of those commonly asked questions and concerns. It's Microvellum University. You may have heard about it or even had a chance to take part in one of our in-person classroom sessions. And coming this fall, Microvellum is excited to announce that we'll be launching a new e-learning platform where you can now take MBU courses online. To learn more, click the link in this video. We're going to be at AWFS Las Vegas this year from July 25th to July 28th. So come on by and check out our booth where you can experience MBU live for an in-person training experience where Lenny Siana, Head of Library Development, and myself, RJ Pransky, will be leading the discussion and teaching you about Microvellum's manufacturing software. We have a few desks set up with laptops so you can work along with us as we go through some exercises that are going to help you create extraordinary things with ease and streamline the way you work.